Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment. Install Yubikey Manager on your computer and enable NFC on your phone. Once done, inspect the Yubikey and decide whether you'll use USB-C or an adapter. Plug it in and open the manager. Make sure you have passwords for accounts you'll secure and a second recovery method noted. Now, register the key to one test account first so you verify behavior before proceeding to critical accounts. This avoids locking yourself out and builds confidence. Next, you enroll the Yubikey with each service one at a time. Visit Account Security and choose Add Security Key or FIDO2. Follow the web prompts, give the key a clear name for identification, and when asked, insert or tap the key and touch the metallic contact. Also add a secondary method like Authenticator app or backup codes in case you lose the key. Make sure to test sign-in immediately. Successful verification confirms the key is bound correctly and ready for daily use. To finish, configure the Yubikey PIN and enable any additional slots like PIV or OpenPGP if you need smart card or signing features. Once configured, label and securely store a backup Yubikey and print recovery codes. Never rely on a single device. If something goes wrong and the key is not recognized, make sure drivers and firmware are up to date. Toggle NFC on your phone, try another USB port, and test on a different device. These steps fix most detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.